Hello, I am Shreya Upasani from Desert Assault Race Tech of MIT Pune. I am here to give you a quick introduction about our team in this video. Team D.A.R.T was founded in the year 2017 with meager support and resources, but with the extreme determination and willpower of our fellow members, we were able to successfully engineer an all-terrain vehicle which helped us secure a rank of 12 in the event RCDC. So what is RCDC? RCDC, also known as Rally Car Design Challenge, is India's first ever desert rally competition organized at a student level. The top 3 teams of this event further compete at the India Baha with the professionals. This event will be held in the month of August this year. When it comes to serving the community, I can proudly say that Team D.A.R.T never falls behind. We organize workshops, seminars and talks for the students who wish to learn something apart from academics. This year, with more diligence and hard work, we aim to secure the topmost rank in RCDC 2019. We'll keep posting on our social media accounts to keep you all updated. The links are in the description box below. Thank you for watching, keep supporting and subscribe to us.